Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable autoplay animations on your Facebook app when you're using it on a PC, especially important with the new update rolling out. This feature brings your Facebook experience to life by automatically playing animations as you scroll through your feed or visit pages, making it more engaging and dynamic. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on your main feed, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo to open a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to personal settings and preferences. Next, find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will expand to show more choices. Now, select Settings from the expanded menu. This takes you to the central hub where you can customize nearly everything about your Facebook experience. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Click on it, and from there, navigate to Video and Motion. This is where controls related to video playback and animation behaviors are managed. Here, you'll see the option for autoplay animations. To activate this feature, simply toggle the switch to enable it. Once enabled, Facebook will automatically play animations as you browse through content without you needing to click anything extra. That's it. You've successfully enabled autoplay animations on your Facebook app on PC. Now, your browsing will be more lively with moving images and animated elements smoothly playing to enhance your experience. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and disable the toggle. Enjoy the new dynamic feel of Facebook and keep exploring the latest updates to stay connected in the most engaging way possible. Thanks for watching.